Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. I'm your host Sipho Khatebe. Today we are doing Kaizer Chiefs against Maruma Gallants. And Pethu Dimen la. Dimen wethu.
Oh, Pungani.
Unjani?
Hayi sengene. Kaizer Chiefs yakho.
Yeah. Hayi bethu asingene endabeni. Thoughts in the game sibala ubone kanjani namhlanje?
Yazi igame yanamhlanje mangibheka i-starting lineup ngibona umhlolo mfethu ngiyabona ngithi yazi ucoach uzela ngezinye izinto ke but ke bengisurprised ukubona ukuthi udlalisa uKwinika nonto noMashiyane i-back four yakhe like ngithi usenzele ezinye izinto but ke kumele size expect izinto ezikanje since iKaizer Chiefs yakwi final yeNedbank. I think ukuthi ucoach vele sekayabona ukuthi isizini iphelile and then manje kumele ngabe sekaqalile vele ukuthi manje unikeza lama player lawo bekangake wanikeza i-chance khana waqala manje ukuthi wanikeza i-chance awalahlele egroundini but ke we not expecting ukuthi i-game ibe nale outcome ibe nayo even though kuthiwa kudlala ama-French players.
Okay, no, yazwakala. Asingene kule point yama subs wakhe because most of the time beka especially ama player akawakhiphayo. I think lapho ila beka misa khona. So ucabanga kanjani wena lapho?
Yeah, I think still usana leyo problem coach ukuthi manje ngathi intambo inokungafiki ku paraffin makumele ayenza ama substitute because like looking at the game Happy Mashiyane was out, Dupreez was out, Uduba was out, but still you keep her on to Umduduzi. I don't think ukuthi as much as are out now because I think everyone besides Umlungu ngathi everyone beka out kule game leya but ke uShabalala man unaleyanto leya ukuthi angakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke Motabheka after leya chance le create le uDuba shayipali then bayamsapa nokuthi if bomiyeka with abongcobo nana bopotsane kuzoba na something nyane groundini uyabona.
Yeah. So iChiefs iconsider i-first goal yayo ngemistake goalkeeper ubone kanjani lapho?
Konje i-first goal ephi
ile uvuma
yeah, no, I also think ukuthi goalkeeper wethu une problem yazi noma ungathi umdefender kangakanani uvuma uyake expose ukuthi no yazi uthanda iChiefs ngenhliziyo yakho yonke but ke somehow akana ama basics okuvimba lo muntu lana checking ukuthi lela bhola lela ufuna ukulifika ngeminwe Seyithe uyalibamba or ulishange incede at least lihambe liye kude instead of ukuthi liwele la konke okay uyenzile lelo phutha lelo lawela kule umuntu uyalibuyisela futhi lidlula kuye futhi enyaweni instead of ukuthi alikhake or alibambe still because ube nama opportunity to ukubamba lela bhola uvuma.
Yeah, no lapho ngiyavuma mfethu. So i second goal yona ubone kanjani because nayo futhi ishockile kakhulu.
Okay, izi-2 izinto ezenzeke ku second goal engathi nene zinokumsave ugoalkeeper futhi ziphinde futhi zimfake under the bus but ke one thing that I saw ukuthi lela bhola lelana belingekho kuye that much belingekho kwi player because lela player liphumile lithi liyoheader so alihitanga liconfuse ugoalkeeper ukuthi manje lo muntu uzolithinta if yalithinta change ise direction okay wabona then kumele aziposition but ke I think ipositioning yakhe futhi bengekho right because most position to a point ukuthi if lela bhola liza straight epaleni kumele ukwazi ukuthi usave yabona and then if lo muntu uyalithinta change direction still ukwazi ukuthi ureact futhi lapho so elakhe futhi nalo lelo so kahle namhlanje uvuma una 2 goals angazi sekana how many kule season maybe goal scorer
yeah no ngiyakuzwa mfethu. Okay, nayo problem yethu ke manje sesiku number 9 so do you see us coming back to top 8?
Okay, Chiefs might come back with top 8 depending which abo Chiefs abadlala kanjani but mina feel which is going to be a waste of energy with Chiefs be go top 8 a waste of our emotions or my supporter because that means if siya go top 8 siyovula ngeMTN ngayo lo msangano lo udlalwa manje so then that means siyoziphula inhliziyo. Yeah. So we rather sphume ku top 8 so focus on teams build any team and then sisithathele le Nedbank le yabo because I Nedbank yona ayivele
yeah
siyoqedela ngale songcwaba.
All right. No salela amagame engakhi manje ligini 2 so next match Orlando Pirates next weekend.
Yazi angiwathanda amadabi akusinto that's not my favorite but ke I think izobhora leya game leyana due to ukuthi after futhi kunenye game but yona izobhora nje straight as much as sazi ukuthi Chiefs iyavuka mangabe idlala nabo Pirates and Sundowns but nje ngi-expect ukuthi leya game leyibhora mhlawumbe ngaba i-not or kube Chiefs lose nge-1-0 or koma 2-0 but angiboni ukuthi Chiefs iwina lapho because into engisho ngayo ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ifake iNedbank ekhanda.
Okay, so if uthi i-Chiefs kuleya game abaya kuyo izobhora and manje uqeda ukuthi wena ku top 8 ubona ngathi basengabuyela, don't you think kumele bayithathe serious leyo game kube i-must win yabo?
Yeah, bona they should take it serious but ke for mina as like I said if mina manje bekuya ngami kumele ngabe wonke lama player lawa adlalayo ahlaliswa phansi kuqaliswa manje kubheka ukuthi okay labafana laba abancane uma combination amasha ubani uhlangana nobani into ezikanjalo instead of ukuthi si focus ukuthini sifuna ukubuyela ku top 8 but ke I top 8 ayingeke si count ku Pirates ne Chiefs. Igame ye Pirates ne Chiefs is a total different ball game. So every time mangabe badlala labantu laba kwenziwa nje izinto different nje umangale uvela ama penalty ongawazi ukuthi abuyapi bazidlalela nje kahle kahle badlala umsangane.
No, I know. Yazwakala mfethu, yazwakala hayi namhlanje sitona lapho mfethu kuzomela sambe siyothoba inhliziyo ngendlela sithoba ngayo mfethu. Hayi akukho esingakukhuluma okuningi mfethu.
Ayisabuhlungu yazi inhliziyo idliwe. Hayi ayisabuhlungu.
Alright bafethu, that's it for today. Siyabonga bafethu, ningakhohlwa subscribe, ni like ama video bafethu. Thank you so much, we out.
Sure.